Hi everyone, this is Ivan Ross, your tutor for today's topic, the Newton-Raphson method. The Newton-Raphson method. It is one of the three methods that can be used in root locating functions. Unlike the bisection and the false position method, where intervals converge to each other, in Newton-Raphson method, the intervals diverge to each other and converge at the end. Newton-Raphson method is one of the widely used of all the root locating methods because of its simplicity of its formula. Its formula is x1, x sub 1, x sub I plus 1 equals to x sub I minus function of x sub I over the derivative of the fx sub I. Let's make an example for this. F of x equals to 11.7 x squared plus 17.7 x minus 5. The x sub O as the initial guess is 0. We can directly substitute the value in the formula, but first we must find the function of x sub I. X sub I plus 1 equals 0, x sub I minus the first function fx first given equation over of its derivative. Then at the x we substitute zeros until we substitute the 0 at each x, which result into negative 5 over negative 0.7 . The answer will be 0.2825. After 3 iterations, in the first iteration we get 2825. When we compare the x sub I to 0, the approximate relative error will be 22.62. The approximate relative error is new value minus old value over the new value times 100. In the second iteration, when we resume this equation further, when we substitute 0.2825 to its x, the answer will be 0.3592. When we compare the value to the previous value, the approximate relative error will be 1.614. In the third iteration, we resume the same steps and the answer will be 0.3651. Which means that the true error will be 0%. The true value for this equation will be 0.3651, which means at the third iteration, we've already gotten the true value, and we can stop the iteration from there because we get the true value.